The Flexscan is NextScan's multi-format production scanner, which can scan 16, 35, and 70 mm microfilm, all types of fiche, including COM fiche and aperture cards. The Flexscan is the most versatile and cost-effective scanner in the marketplace. The quick change modules allow customers to customize which scanner configuration best suits their needs and even add additional features as their needs change. Removing the roll film module and placing the fiche module on the Flexscan takes just a few minutes. Custom-designed glass platens allow customers the flexibility to scan collections of mixed fiche with just a few adjustments. The Flexscan fiche module also has an optional autoloader that can handle up to 720 fiche per hour, saving an operator intervention and allowing simultaneous auditing. Both the Eclipse and Flexscan have an adaptable pancake oversized reel adapter for 1,000-foot film reels. NextScan leads the industry with innovations in scanning software solutions. Our mission is to introduce technology to the marketplace that reduces the cost of scanning and provides more opportunities to preserve and convert film collections. NextStar Plus, NextScan's custom-designed workflow software package, is the most efficient scanning software in the industry. Because NextScan uses ribbon scanning, which captures each roll or fiche as one image, scanning operators can detect frames, index, audit images, and perform quality control simultaneously. NextScan's newest software products are Virtual Film, a PC-based viewing system that replaces reader-printer technology, and Fiche Star, a new software program that auto-detects COM fiche, reducing post-processing time by almost 90%.